Hi guys, you are on ATS channel. In this video we are going to speak about Redmi. I'm going to tell you how to use floating window on Redmi. It's easy and simple. Like and subscribe to my channel. Let's go. Open apps you need, then tap here. Long tap on the app, then tap here. Tap this. Tap on this. Good. Now you can quickly switch between different apps. Open settings. Good. Okay, you did it. It was easy and simple. Thanks for watching. If I made a mistake somewhere, please write in the comments, like and subscribe to my channel. Also check out my playlist on this topic. There you will find answers to many questions. Wish you best. Bye bye.